How to view photos on Yelp for any business. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, enter your location in the Yelp website. After you've entered your location, on the left side, search for what you want to search, what kind of business you want to search. After you've searched, you'll find all these options. Select the one you prefer. After you have selected the one you prefer, it will lead you to this page. Here, scroll down, you'll find all the photos. Click on See All Photos. And after you click on See All Photos, you will be able to see all the photos available for this business. And this is how to view photos on Yelp for any business. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.